Jesus Christ is this. He is the image of the invisible God. He is the creator of all things. He is the center and sustainer of the universe.
Sa atin bilang mananampalataya, kailangan nating may dala-dala din tayo. Hindi man item, kundi ano ba ang laman ng ating puso.
Hindi tayo nandito para lang mag-enjoy. Nandito tayo para magpuri sa Diyos. Ngayon, we are worshiping one name. We are worshiping one name. Sino yung sinisigaw natin kanina? Jesus.
Ang pagpupuri, kailangan ini-express natin kung paano pinapahalagahan natin yung ating pinapupurihan.
My God can do infinity. Oh yeah. Oh, power and ability. His spirit lives inside of me. Oh yeah. Ain't nothing he can do for me. That's why. Blessings on blessings.
His favor and love is not just for us, but for generations after us. Yan ay magsisimula sa iyo, sa decision mo, kung paano mo tatanggapin ang Panginoon sa buhay mo, sa pagsunod mo sa Kanya.
I am who he says I am. Unto him be all the glory. So, no stress.
When you worship, you don't move God's heart. You move His heart. Ang pagsamba ay sinapupunan ng himala. Doon pinapanganak ang kagalingan, pag-asa, at tagumpay.